here. So we're gonna get a car. We're gonna find our place for the night. We booked for 2 nights, and then we're gonna do some exploring and see what's out here. The weather doesn't look too good, so it looks a bit rainy. It doesn't rain right now, but it looks a bit rainy. No taxi.
Taxi. Okay.
No. Nothing. Card. We have card, huh? I have card. Alright, so our Coco Valley Inn Hotel is here somewhere. But obviously very concealed because I can't find the bloody... luckily it's not this one. What you saying, my love?
If I look at the picture, it's the orange building, and the only orange building I see is there. So I think the entrance must be that orange.
So this is your vitamin A and B and C, I guess.
Mommy said I must have 3 of it.
3 of them. Okay, go. Tell us what it tastes like. I like it. And
It smells like, it tastes like stinky socks.
stinky
Just
sauce.
kidding.
It tastes like orange to me.
Yeah.
Street market in Langkawi.
Papa?
What do you see? Oh, toys, toys, toys. Look at these kids. They smile. It's your money, you buy. As long as you can take it with. So here in Langkawi, durian is even bigger. And some blue rice for anybody that's interested. Egg. Yum, yum, yum. We got to bed at 12. Megan was sick the whole night. Eben is very upset because we're not out yet. Everything is still closed, nothing is open. But Eben has been outside since 6. Yes, we travel to see the world, not to sleep through the day and then at night try and work on your computer.
So let's go and explore. Let's have some fun. You've never traveled with Eben if you have never gotten into a position where there's absolutely no fuel in the car and you are literally driving on fumes. And once again, Eben has pushed it to the edge. Live on the limit. What? Living on the edge. Push it to the limit. So we are driving on fumes in Langkawi. We are here for a day now. We don't know where we are.
I'm a bit lost.
I don't see any fuel station.
It's not promising. It doesn't look promising, but it is flashing. But we're gonna find it. This island's not big. It's not big. You can find a fuel station with a bit of luck. It's concerning when it's not just the flicker flashing.
We have arrived.
You have to fill up your own car. Can you believe it?
You're over 20 liters. Maybe you must focus on what you're doing.
Yeah, I've decided to go 25. Just for luck. We know how luck is with fuel, so I'm just giving an extra 5 for reserve.
He can be so thankful.
Okay, let's make it 50 ringgit.
Great. He can really be very thankful that we found a fuel station close by.
50, 34, it was it.
So now we are off to the northwestern side of the island.
We like the
The
northwestern
Tide
side, so I don't know why.
Beach. There's a waterfall also that I want to go and see. Can't remember the name now. We'll put the name here. And then another spectacular beach as well. We're at the Black Sand Beach in Langkawi, and as you can see, the sand here is really a mixture between black and white sand. The locals here believe it's a century-old curse that was laid by a mermaid because a fisherman had stolen a ring. The other stories going around is this black is due to the soil from rice paddy fields that were burned down by the farmers in 1821. So it's quite interesting, all the stories why there is black sediment, black sand on this beach. Very interesting. I would definitely not come and sunbathe here. It's dirty.
Nice surprise.
Do you have a surprise? What's that?
It's a mermaid.
A black shell, a mermaid shell.
Yeah, Dad.
And look at that.
Can I please wet my skirt? I want to swim.
Wonderland.
We've arrived and we've just parked at the Pantai Tenggara beach. So the photos on Google Maps look quite nice and beautiful. So let's go and have a look and see if it's as spectacular as the photos. Tenggara Beach, also known as Skull Beach. It got its very eerie name from that island over there, Tau Island in Thailand. It's believed that in the late 1930s there were a jail on that island, and the people would try and escape by swimming to this shore here, but they never ever made it due to the infestation of sharks and crocodiles, and they were basically eaten and the skulls were washed out on shore. And also there was a throwaway where a lot of pirates raided this area. Merchant boats were hijacked and the people were killed and thrown overboard, and all the bodies were basically just washed onto Skull Beach. Very freaky but very interesting history, don't you think?
It's amazing. So we're actually sitting here on the Skull Beach and having a jaw. Full of tourists, they just enjoy the Skull Beach as much as we do. The kids are there in the shade playing in a little stream coming from this river.
Cushion.
A cushion.
Aquafied groundwater. When aquifers reach open air, we call them streams. If aquifers are contained and stagnant, we call them lakes and ponds. But when they leak out onto the land, they become springs.
Oh, interesting. Getting to the waterfall, nice clean water, Unfortunately, not much of a waterfall, and it is the raining season in summer, but I guess a bit of more water will make this a spectacular view because it's quite high and it looks like an awesome waterfall. The kids want to get into the water immediately. They can't wait. It's when you get out of the wind, it's hot. So there in the beach we had a nice breeze, cooled it down quite nicely, but up here in the forest, no wind, and you feel the heat and the humidity. So I think a cool off is in order. Right, so this is officially the coldest water we've been in the last 2 months.
We are going back to the waterfall.
We are at the waterfall, my dear.
No.
Now we're gonna look. We're gonna look for another waterfall.
Oh, just follow me.
Off we go. And this is what you call a black monkey with a white face. I don't know if you can see it. They're quite acrobatic. We're now in the most northwestern part of the island. This is just beautiful, beautiful jungle. We're trying to get to the beach, but it seems the only way you can get here is through one of the resorts. This is the Yellow Beach Cafe. This is a deep fried crab.
Megan,
Very nice, very tasty.
Meg,
I like it.
Maggie.
So Megan is eating crab. Yay, Maggie.
You're welcome.
You like crab? I know, I'm welcome.
Hello, my ladies. I'd like to show you all about firstly idea. So, I like to visit to you. Bye.
Well, that was our first few days in Langkawi, and it only got better. Please subscribe to stay tuned for our next video in Langkawi, where we visit the Sky Bridge and much more adventures. Thank you for watching and happy wanderlusting!